Hey everybody out there in the world, I'm back with a quick meal here from start to finish. This is going to be once again in my farmerware pressure cooker, 6 quart. Excuse me, I have a cold, so I'm trying to make a quick meal because something to warm me up. I don't want no soup, but I want something kind of solid but quick and healthy to soothe me. So this is what I'm cooking here. I'm going to make some chicken panini with broccoli and cauliflower with Alfredo sauce, chicken Alfredo. That's what it is, with roasted garlic. It don't matter which chicken Alfredo it is. All the sauce is the same. I don't like Prego, so it don't matter if it's Great Value or Newman's or whoever. With me, long as it's not Prego. So I have the panini, rigate, however they say it. The Alfredo sauce. I got Great Value, the regular chicken Alfredo with a pasta sauce. I got roasted garlic Alfredo sauce. I have broccoli cauliflower, and I have the Tyson's grilled and ready pulled chicken breast. I used this before on something else. I can't remember what it was. It was so good. So I already had put my panini in here. And let me get a spoon. Let's see here. Yeah. I'm just going to use this little spoon right here. I already got my panini in here. So with that, I'll put that in there. And then I'm using one hand. So bear with me. I'm going to put the chicken in here. I'll put the whole bag. And it's frozen now. It's frozen. And then I'm going to put, this is how I'm going to do it this time. I'm going to put one of the sauces in here. Just to lubricate a little bit. And then this is what I do. I put 1 jar of water. You know, I don't know how they do it without water, but you need water for the pasta. And then, you know, I get all that extra sauce. Waste not, want not. I'm getting all my money's worth. And then I pour that in there. And then this is what I do. I mix it up a little bit. And this time, I promise you, I'm going to come back with the results. Yeah, I mix it up a little bit. Then I get my vegetables. To me, broccoli and cauliflower taste the same almost. You hear the water running because I'm going to get some more water. And I put that in there. Break it up a little bit. And then I pour my sauce. And I go back again and get me some more water. Yes, I got dishes in the sink. I was about to wash dishes. I said, let me do this real quick before my grandkids get home. They'll have something warm, nice and warm. Let me cut this water off to eat. Then I pour that in. And once again, I stir it up. You see, it's going to make its own water once you turn that pressure cooker on. And to me, it's best to stir it up. Where my big spoon at? It's best to stir it up so you can get all of it coated. Now, I add me some seasons. Dang, I almost dropped that. I put me a little bit of accent. Then I put me some chopped onions. I don't try to shake it or nothing. I just pull the top off, sprinkle some in there. My grandson says, Mima, I don't like onions. He don't know he eat onions all the time. If he see it, he's not going to eat it. He will pull them off. And then I got me a little bit of chopped garlic. With this, I got the whole peel. I mean, the thing peeled back. I just put a little bit in there. God, who said they can't work with one hand? That's a lie. I put that back. Then I put a little bit of salt and pepper in there. A little bit of pepper. Last time I made this, they couldn't get enough, but I used chicken chunks. And this is salt sense, 25% less salt. And then once again, I stir it up. Then if you want, you can add more cheese. This is what I do. Let me see. The cheese, I don't know. I don't want that cheese. I guess I'll do that cheese. I want to try this. It's a white sharp cheese. I gotta try this out. So, once again, one-handed. I should have had all this prepared, but I'm gonna do this quick video. So let me leave this in here like this, so you can see. Hold on a second. Let me set this phone down real quick. Stay right there. That one. They kill me talking about pull along the dotted line. Yeah, right. You still need scissors or a knife. You know what, they got this hurricane thing going on up around by our way. Well, we're in Greenville, but it's supposed to be in the lower country. And we feel, I feel it affects us like 70 degrees out there. All right, I got 6 Italian cheese blend. Guess I put about guess that's about a half cup, I guess. Then I got sharp white cheddar cheese. I want to try this one out. Put that in there. Then get the top on. Now I'm gonna turn this up to, oh, I guess I'm gonna go to 7. No, I don't want to do that. I'm gonna go to 8, because that's beans and stuff. It comes up pretty quick. Hit start, and then when it get done, I'll come back. I promise. This time.